Good afternoon. Today I will discuss stackelberg duopoly model. There are two firms producing identical product. Two firms are firm 1 and firm 2. Now, before going to the model, I will cover the story of the game, some explanations and then solution. So the description of this game is two firm 1 and firm 2. Firm 1 choose the quantity that is positive, and firm 2 observe that how much quantity that firm 1 produces. On the basis of that, firm 2 will choose her quantity or his quantity, that is Q2. Profit of the firm is pi I means 1 and 2, that is firm 1 firm 2. So profit pi I, it depends on the quantity of firm 1 and quantity of firm 2, that is equal to QI PQ minus CI. That means total revenue. P into Q, that means total revenue, minus Q into C, that means total cost. So quantity, its total quantity, that is equal to Q1 plus Q2, firm 1 quantity and firm 2's quantity. And price of the firm, it depends on the quantity, that is Q is equal to A minus Q, and cost CI is equal to marginal cost of the production. I means both the firm 1 as well as firm 2. So the profit function is pi I Q1 Q2 is equal to QI into A minus Q1 minus Q2 minus CI. So multiply and getting the value QI, first bracket, A minus Q1 minus Q2 minus CI, or QI into A minus Q1 Q2, Q1 minus Q2 minus QI into C, that means total revenue minus total cost. Just write down here. For ith firm, so the game is two-person sequential game with the two stage. With perfect information to solve the game, we must first find out the relation of firm 2 to every output choice of firm 1. We must find that the output, that is Q2 star of the firm 2. Q2 star means firm 2's output that maximizes firm 2's profit, given the output Q1 of firm 1. So the meaning of this line is much more simple, that firm 2's decision depends upon firm 1's quantity. So we can write the function as Q2 star, firm 2's optimum output, it's equal to Q2 star bracket Q1, that means Q2 star, that means firm 2's quantity depends upon firm 1's quantity, how much firm 1 produce. So now come to the profit function of firm 2. Firm 2's profit pi 2 bracket Q1 Q2 star is equal to maximize pi 2 Q1 Q2. So maximize Q2, that into A minus Q1 minus Q2 minus C2, that means cost of firm 2 pi 2 Q1 into Q1 comma Q2, it's equal to minus Q2 square minus A minus Q1 minus Q2 into Q2. We are taking this kinds of form because we will derivative, and that will helpful if we first take the term Q2 square. So taking derivative, first and second order derivative with respect to Q2, profit function, firm 2's profit function derivative with respect to Q2, and getting the value minus 2 Q2 plus A minus Q1 minus C2, and taking derivative second order condition with respect to Q2, that is negative minus 2, it's less than 0. And first order condition of profit maximization, we know that this is equal to 0. So del pi 2 by del pi 2 by del q2 is equal to 0. That is equal to minus 2q2 minus plus a minus q1 minus c2 is equal to 0, and getting the value ultimately q2 star is equal to a minus q1 minus c2 divided by 2. If we set q2 star is equal to 0, then get q1 is less than a minus c2. Now firm 1 should now anticipate that firm 2 will choose q2 star if firm 1 choose q1. Therefore firm 1 will want to choose q1 to maximize the profit, that is pi q1 q2 star is equal to q1 a minus q1 minus q2 star minus c1. Pi is equal to q1 bracket. Here we will put the value q2 star, that is equal to this value a minus q1 minus c2 by 2. So the profit function is q1 first bracket a minus q1 minus a minus q1 minus c2 divided by 2 minus c1 at half. There is a term value 1 by 2, that is taking the outside, and all the terms is in the square bracket, that is minus q1 square. If we multiply q1 and q1 q1 into minus q1, getting minus q1 square plus a minus c2 minus. So here that q1 we know that it is positive. Using the first and second order term, we get that del pi q1 comma q2 star divided by q del q1 is equal to minus q1 plus a minus c2 minus 2c1 divided by 2. After taking derivative, we are getting this value because we are taking derivative with respect to q1. So if we take derivative, we get 2q1, so 2 cancel out, that is why minus q1 here, and the second part is okay. And taking derivative with respect to q1, the second order derivative, that is minus 1. See, q1, that is minus 1, is less than also 0. Therefore the profit maximization q1 comma q2 star is q1 star is equal to c plus a plus c2 minus 2c1 by 2. This is like q but not this is q. Q1 star is equal to this value because we said the first order condition is equal to 0, and substituting this value in equation 1 and ultimately get the value of q2 star, firm 2's output, that is equal to a minus a plus c2 minus 2c1 divided by 2 minus c2 whole of 2, and ultimately 2a minus c2 minus plus 2c1 minus 2c2 divided by 4, which how to get 4, this above t and this 2 and this 2 multiply and get the value 4. So the backward induction solution of the, now I conclude this solution that the backward induction solutions of the stackelberg game, the equilibrium strategy of firm 1 is q1 star, while the equilibrium strategy of firm 2 is q2 star. So q2's value is this. So ultimately we get the value how much farm 1 produce and how much farm 2 produce.